Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Vase here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can use the auto captioning feature that is just introduced in Final Cut Pro. So by captions I mean the text that you are seeing right here that will be generated automatically for your videos. Anyways, let's begin the video. For this you need to make sure that you have a Mac or MacBook which has the Apple M series chip. By M series I mean the M1, M1 Pro or any other chip from Apple. Secondly, you need to have the latest version of Final Cut Pro. So the auto captioning feature is introduced in Final Cut Pro 11 and the later version will obviously have this feature. So let's move towards our Mac and let me show you how you can use this feature. First of all, on your Mac or MacBook, you're going to open the App Store and you're going to search for Final Cut Pro. And here we're going to open Final Cut Pro. So make sure that you update Final Cut Pro to the latest version. For now, Final Cut Pro 11 is present. And if I click on the more version, here you can see it has the option use transcribe to captions to automatically create captions from the spoken audio. So basically Final Cut Pro 11 has the feature to auto generate captions from our audio in our videos. So just make sure you update Final Cut Pro to 11 or the latest version, whichever is available. And as Final Cut Pro is updating, I should tell you that you need to have a Mac or MacBook with the Apple Silicon chips, meaning that you need to have the M series chip in your Mac for this auto captioning feature. Once Final Cut Pro has been updated, you can open it. Here it's going to tell you what's new in Final Cut Pro. We're going to click on continue. So we're going to click on update. In order to add captions automatically to your Final Cut Pro project, first of all we're going to select all the clips on which we want to add the captions. Once they are selected, go to the top left side, click on edit. From here we're going to go to the captions menu, and from here you should have an option transcribe to captions. Just click on it and it should automatically generate captions. So if it is your very first time using this feature, it will first download the transcription model, which is basically an AI model for speech to text transcribing. So for the first time it may take a little bit time. After that it will not take much time for your future projects. And now it's adding captions to my project. And here it is. So you can see it has automatically added the captions, which you can see right here. So obviously this is an automatically generated captions using AI, so it cannot be completely perfect. However, you can edit its length, duration and the text as well. So from here you can select any caption. From the right side you can change its spelling if it has detected it wrong. So it will make your work pretty easier, but you should have to check it manually for final changes because the AI is not completely perfect. For more useful videos like this video, if you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.